Do we need an introduction for this video? Do we? Anyways, hello skincare lovers, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why your skincare products are not working for you. Like, we're going to be talking about why your skincare products are not working for you, the common mistakes, and also how you can fix them. Okay, yeah, so you might want to stick around to the end of this video. But before we proceed, I want to use this opportunity to thank all the people that watch, like, and engage in my video, most especially for the ones who trust me enough to send me their skincare orders on Instagram. All of you guys, I really do appreciate you all. Anyways, let's jump right into the video. So, have you spent your hard-earned money? Like, you spent so much money buying skincare products. Like, I don't know if you're like me, because even when I was having acne all over my forehead, I was buying any product on site. Have you spent that kind of money and still it looks like nothing is working for you? Like, it looks like you've wasted your hard-earned money. You are not alone, okay? In today's video, I'm going to be telling you some of the mistakes you are making and how to fix them. You have to stay to the end of this video. I promise you, I'm not going to take so much of your time. So guys, the first reason could be simple: using the wrong product for your skin type. Do you understand? It's just like you have an oily skin and you're using product that is designed for dry skin. Let me make this simple. If you're an oily skin girly, you have to be using products that are lightweight. If you're a dry skin girly, you have to use products that are very, very hydrating. I have two face cream here. I mean, this one is actually empty, but I just want to show you this product. I have used it in the past. If you have been following me, I used to talk about this product. This product is very good for someone whose skin is very, very dry, because it's very greasy and hydrating. This is very good. But if you have a normal skin, or if you have oily skin, this one is your best buy. Like, you can get this one even if you have oily skin. Actually, you can use this one because it's really penetrating to the skin. If you have normal skin, you can use this one, but if you have dry skin, I highly recommend this. So if you're using the wrong product for your skin type, if whatever thing you need to treat on your face is going to take 2 months, that means you're making it to take 6 months. Understanding your skin type is the foundation of effective skincare routine. You cannot just use any product that is not for your skin type. So guys, the next one is lack of consistency. Okay, this one is a big one: inconsistency. Let me tell you, skincare is not magic at all. It is a process. Okay, if maybe you are told to use a particular product at a particular time, you have to keep doing it. Like, you have to be consistent. The way your routine is being drafted to you, you have to stick to it, because if you mix it, like I previously said, if it's something that is going to be healed by 4 weeks, it might be taking 8 weeks. Do you understand? So the best thing for you to do is to be very, very consistent in using that skincare product, and you will start noticing change in the 4th to 6 weeks. I used to see some people, when they get a product and they use it 2 weeks, maybe they're not even consistent in the middle, and they'll be like, this product is not working for me, this product is not working for me, when they have not even started. He just got the product, you've not even used it up to half, and you're complaining. No, you have to be consistent. Within 4 to 6 weeks, that's when you now know that if there's any change at all. The best way to do it is that if you're starting a routine, it's better to take a picture of where your face used to be. Then after 4th to the 5th week, you can now check and know if there's any change at all. Okay, so you have to be consistent. So remember, we are talking about why your skincare products are not working for you and how to fix it. So another common mistake is layering your products wrongly. Okay, look, there is no shortcut when it comes to this. You just have to follow the rules. Okay, first of all is cleansing. When you're done cleansing, you use your toner. When you are done using your toner, you can now give your skin any treat of your choice. Maybe you have any skin challenge that you're trying to treat. You can use the serum that is treating that particular skin concern. It could be acne, whatever, or the treatment, whatever treatment you have at that time. When you're done with the treatment, then you put your face cream. When you're done with your face cream, then you put your sunscreen. it must follow this order, because if you just do it anyhow, it will be very difficult for the product to penetrate into your skin and actually do the work. You get what I'm trying to say? I used to see some people, they have a lots and lots of products. I used to wonder, does this go into one skin alone? You just need to make your routine to be very, very simple. I'm sure you have gotten what I'm saying now. You have to apply your product correctly so that it can penetrate into your skin and actually do the work. Okay? The next one is overloading your skin with too many products. I just mentioned that not too long ago. Like, you have to make your routine to be so simple. All your skincare products should not contain active ingredients. In your cleanser, there is an active ingredient. In your toner, there is an active ingredient. In your treatment, of course, there will be active ingredients. Your face cream, no, it shouldn't be like that. You just have to stick to a very simple routine, because when all these your products contain active ingredients, first of all, it's going to break your skin barrier. It will even make the skin not to work well, and it will also irritate your skin. So it's better for you to keep it really, really simple. So if you now want to introduce another product to your skin, you can do that slowly. Just keep it very simple. For me personally, what do I even use on my skin? I don't do all this cotton wool trying to clean every day. No. After washing my face, I use my face cream. I use my sunscreen. Finish. I don't do too much. And I'm not, I like the way my skin is. I know that it's always like this when especially you have any skin challenge that you're going, because I remember when I was having my own skin challenges, like acne here, and here. Hey, that time I used to apply products 2 hours in the morning. When I apply all the skincare that I don't even know who in fact, I used to buy anything at all on site. After 2 or 3 hours, I'll go and wash it off and apply again. You can imagine how desperate I was, so desperate for everything to just leave my skin. I understand that pressure, but I'm just trying to tell you today, just take it slow and use simple skincare routine. If you are confused on how to do it, of course, my handle on Instagram is always there. Send me a DM so that we can talk about it, and I will recommend the best product for your skin type. The next thing you are doing wrong is skipping sunscreen. Look, sunscreen is a must. You can't skip it. You can't say, okay, I've done every other thing without the sunscreen, then I should be good. No. If you don't wear your sunscreen, that means everything you have done is down the drain. Like, you've wasted your time, especially when you're going under the sun. Even when you're in the house and you have done all this skincare routine, my dear, just wear that sunscreen. It's not going to do anything. Personally, I don't like sunscreen, but I have to. Like, you have to try your best to wear it. You have to wear your sunscreen. If you're not wearing sunscreen, when you go outside the sun, everything you have done is a waste. You've wasted your time, you've wasted your money, you've wasted everything. So let me just give you this bonus, this tip, okay? I know many people might ignore this, or maybe you're having any skin challenge, or even if you're not, as long as you're a girly, let me just give you this tip when it comes to trying to maintain that view. You have to be washing your pillowcase. You see that your pillowcase? See my own here. You have to be washing it. I change my pillowcase every two days. Every two days. Do you understand? So that if there's any stuff that fall out, or maybe anything that can make my skin to irritate, I don't let that happen. Washing your pillowcase is going to also improve your skin. Now you know the reason why your skincare products might not be working. Okay. It is time. It is time for you to fix it. I want you to tell me the one you are guilty about in the comment section. Okay, just tell me the one you are guilty about. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing more and more amazing skincare tips. Also, give this video a thumbs up and on that your notification bell so that you will know when I post a new video. I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.